Hello, I'm back again. Okay, here's an interesting one. What we have here, it's an Arduino Nano. Okay, we have a sound sensor. There's a microphone here. And we have an OLED screen which picks up, it's a sound waves which demonstrate the molecular structure when the sound goes through the air. And you can see these little dots. Because remember that the molecular structure also bounce and vibrate next to each other when the sound come close. Because mainly the sound, in order to produce voice and songs, it needs to vibrate. Okay, so this is a pretty simple. I will do one tomorrow probably, to get one under the water, and also do another one maybe with the hot and cold water to see how the particles. We could also, make a DNA double helix or something. I'm sorry, I got a bit of cough. Don't know why. Okay, let's carry on now with the the codes on the sketch, and I will put an explanation of how it works on the website, but you can go through and have a look. I'll put this one on today, or maybe tomorrow morning, and the rest I will put the other one, the one with the temperature of the water and the molecular, how it works. Okay, let's go back. Other things here, you can regulate it, and you can change also the inside. Okay, let me see. Practically, it's got a pot here. I think the best point is about here. You can see the molecular structure also move up and down according to your sound. If I put sounds on, I wanted to put some jazz, but I'll probably kick my video off if I do that. So in any case, here it's an example. Hello, 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 ooh, ooh, and you can tap it and you get more molecular. And you can make it very loud as well, and and see how it goes and test it. Just play around, but it's quite interesting. All right, guys, have a good weekend, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Bye-bye.